Real talk. I went into the LG 27GS75Q-B 27-inch Ultragear QHD skeptical. Here is what actually happened. Let me tell you, this thing checks all my boxes for a top-notch gaming monitor. First off, the 200Hz refresh rate and 1 millisecond MBR make for buttery smooth display. It's like having your own personal gaming coach, telling you exactly when to move and why. You're not just playing, you're living the game. And then there's NVIDIA GSYNC compatible and AMD FreeSync, which means you get that silky smooth action without any screen tearing or stutter. It's like being inside the game, where every frame counts and every moment matters. You'll be on top of your game in no time. Now, I know what you're thinking. What about the color gamut? Well, let me tell you, this thing delivers 99% sRGB expression, so your games look like they were shot in a movie. The HDR10 also kicks it up to the next level, making for an immersive experience that'll transport you into the world of gaming. So who needs this? Anyone serious about their gaming setup. This is for you if you want the best possible performance without breaking the bank. If you're still stuck with a monitor that's holding you back, it's time to upgrade. Trust me, your gaming life will thank you. But here's one thing I wish was different. Sometimes the display can get a bit too bright. Not a deal breaker, but if you're playing late at night or prefer a more subtle setup, this might not be perfect for you. Here's the verdict. If you want to take your gaming to the next level without losing your mind or money, look no further than the LG 27GS75Q-B 27-inch Ultragear QHD. Period. If this saved you some time, hit subscribe. I drop honest reviews every single week. The Amazon link is right below. Until next time.